Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fun Fact Friday. I have Batman and Casey here. We are going to talk today about therapy laser. This is a new modality that we have here in the hospital, and we can use it for a number of different things. One of the main things we're going to use it for is for pain and inflammation. This can be for arthritis, this could be for infections, it could be after surgery, after they have a spay or a neuter, or even a dental cleaning. We can use this in the mouth as well. So what does this laser do? It uses energy to increase blood flow and oxygen to the site that we're using it for. It also increases ATP, which is a form of energy in the cell, to help the cells heal faster. So this can help wounds heal quicker. It can help with pain and inflammation and arthritis. So for Batman, we would use it for his arthritis. This is what the unit looks like. It's very small. It's got a little handheld. And so we would run this along his back. There's a number of phases the machine goes through that penetrate different areas, whether it be the skin, the muscles and connective tissues, and then even down to the bone and joint. All he's going to feel is a nice warming feeling, maybe a little massage, things like that. Because of that, the great thing is that this doesn't have any side effects, just that little bit of warmth. We don't want to use it on things like cancer, of course, because we don't want to give them any more energy than they already have. But other than that, it can be used on most everything else. Like I talked about already, we can use it on ear infections and wounds to incisions and arthritis. So it isn't a one and done though. We do recommend multiple treatments for you to see the full benefits of it. So for say arthritis, we may do twice a week for a couple of treatments, and then do that for a couple weeks, then reduce it to once a week, and then reduce it to once a month from there. For wounds, it's often 3 to 5 treatments over the course of a 2-week period to help that heal faster. But for ear infections and for surgical sites, we may only have to do it one time, which is great. You can be with your pet, which is another great option for this. So this isn't something that you would have to drop them off for or leave them with us all day. It's very quick. The longest ones that we've seen is maybe 6 minutes per site. So say we're doing the hips, it might be 6 minutes on each hip. So a total of 12, or each knee might be 6 minutes. So you're talking anywhere between 5 to 10 or 15 minutes for treatment. So it's very quick, and you'll be able to be in there with your pet. You'd wear these awesome goggles, and your pet would wear these awesome goggles as well to protect their eyes, because the laser can be dangerous if you look at it directly. But it's something that we can do with you right there in the room so that your pet's not nervous or worried. You get to be there with them through the whole procedure. So this is something that we're now going to be offering for all of our surgical procedures that it applies to, as well as for our pets with pain and arthritis. So this is just something that we can add to help our pets be less painful and to help their wounds and infections heal faster, hopefully reduce how much pain medication we need to use, because we all know that they have their own side effects and things with those pain meds. So if we can do something to help reduce how much they need, that's all the better. And that's where this is going to be super beneficial. So if you guys have questions about laser, leave it in the comments below. I will be answering them. I'll be on this all day today. If you have questions about would it be beneficial for you, things like that. If you like this, give it a like, give it a share. Let's get out there to all our pets, because this is a great way to keep our pets pain-free. And we will see you guys next week.